dripping. It feels like it's raining, but it's not. I don't know what's going on here. It's a wet morning. It's chilly, but not cold. And these dogs have hardly been out at all since I got up. Tuesday. It is a Tuesday, and I got a lot I want to try to get done. We'll see how much I manage. Beggar dogs. Beggar dogs. You're a beggar dog, and you're a beggar dog. My tail just wagging. I'm killing and destroying this little squirrel. Hi. Hello. This is how she says, I want to play. I want to play. It is a yucky rainy day. It started raining early afternoon. It's been on and off. Supposed to get a bunch more, I guess. Just a blood day. There she is. There you are. There you are. She's like, why? Why so bright? I'm sleepy girl. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are.